I'm gonna be building a house. Hello, so I'm gonna be building a house right now. Let's go get a house. I think I'm gonna use this one right here. First, I'm gonna make a little tour of floor number 2. I made floor number 2, but I didn't make floor number 1. So let's just wait for it, and then we can play. It's taking so long. When I'm recording, it takes so long. But when I'm off camera. Okay, so this is the house now. Okay, so this is the mother. So this is the mother. These are twins. This is their room. This is the kitchen. Nice. This is the living room. Small. This is the bathroom. And this is the mother's room. The mother does not have her own room, so she just sleeps here. And I don't mind her sleeping here, but I don't know. Okay, so now let's go to floor number 1. Let's go to floor number 1. Floor number 1. You're making noise because you're making a video. How? You're not making a video. How? I'm making a video. So let's just wait. This is taking so long. It's almost done. Okay. I'm gonna be making a house. So this is floor number 1. And I think that I have an idea. Over to Mike. So I'm gonna make a house about 2 parents. Yeah, 2 parents. 2 parents that are living together. And they're about to have a baby. So what? And they have a child. This is their room. This is the bathroom. This is their room. This is a bathroom. What else? This might be a living room. Bathroom, living room, and kitchen. This can be a child's room, and this is just the outdoor place where you sit. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start off with the wallpaper. Their room's wallpaper would be like, yeah, I loved it. And yeah. Okay, I think I love this flooring. Okay. What else? So is the bed. Then I have to do the closet. So bed. There are 2 parents. So this bed, I kinda hate it. So okay, I have a plan. Okay, I love this bed. So I'm gonna just act like this bed is speaking with this one. It's kind of glitching, but okay. Let's see. Doesn't look that bad, but yeah, I think it won't work. Just gonna use that bed. Just gonna use this bed. I need a side table. I'm gonna take this side table. I need a closet. A big closet because it's a mom and dad. So I have a plan. Very nice plan. So they will also have an office. What is going on with this? Okay, so they'll also have an office. They'll also have an office. So this is what I'm gonna do with this. I think that I should use the other one. This, okay, and then they're gonna have a closet. This one, okay, this is not nice.
This is very scary. I make a duck house.
Okay, this one. Okay. I think that their closet will be huge because there's a baby that is gonna sleep here also. Because the baby's gonna come. Where would the baby's bed be? Like, oh yeah, there's a kids room. I'll just do that in the kids room. And I'm gonna decorate a calendar.
Dada, what do I do?
Poster. And yeah, that's all. And I also need a rug for here. So I'm gonna get a rug, a huge rug, and I need a curtain. So let me see. Okay, perfect. Let's go on to the bathroom. I'm just gonna do a small little bathroom real quick. Just gonna do this. Okay. I'm just gonna do this. This one, and then I'm gonna do this one, and then I'm just gonna do a shower. This shower, and this. Wait, this, and this. Toothbrush there, and yeah, that's all. Oh yeah, I also need a rug. I also need a rug. That's perfect. Now I'm gonna do kitchen and living room. Oh yeah, I forgot to add lights. I think that I'm gonna add lights. These ones. All the way here. Here-ish. In the bathroom, I'm just gonna do this hanging lights. Let's turn them on. Nice. Okay. But let's go to the living room and kitchen. Wallpaper. You can talk now, Kush. Wallpaper.
I'm playing when I'm walking.
I love this wallpaper. Okay, Kush. This, yeah, I think this matched. This is matching pretty well. And I'm gonna take this one, because this one has a dishwasher. and Jesus. I never wanted that fish. Take this fish.
So now I put a door.
Wait, let's see. What about I think I want this one. Yeah, I want this fish. And I'm also gonna do a dining room. It'll be a family of 3, so I don't need a big table. Just need a small little table and some chairs. Nice chairs. Perfect. I think that's all. And I also need some shelves to store all the food. So shelves up until down there. Perfect. Now I'm gonna make the living room. This sofa. And then this. Now bed. Let me go to the bedroom and get a side table. Yeah. Now I can put the TV on here. Lastly, the kids' room. This will honestly be my favorite room, cause this room is like perfect. Like so. Did I do the floor in the bathroom? Oh yeah, I did. Oh, I forgot to add a table by the dining room. I'm gonna add this big thing. That's all in the kids room. So first of all, for the kids room, I'm gonna add these lights. I love this light. Add more. Yep, and perfect. And I'll get a bed. And get this chair. It's a gaming chair. I love it. And the child will also have a computer. And the child's closet will be so beautiful. Like this child will get
What are you doing here, Sarah?
this in this closet. I don't know if this one fits. Okay, okay, I'm just gonna add that later closet to make it look cute in here. And that's all for the bedroom. I think I'm gonna just take this just in case. And okay, I have a plan. I'm gonna make a toy box. There'll be a toy box in here. A toy box. I'm gonna get all toys, and that will be the toy box. Cause this child is pretty much spoiled, but she's not rich. She's just spoiled. She's just good, and she has so much toys. That's why. What's this? I don't know what's this. Okay. And a kite. I love this room. Okay. I need a small little coaster. Okay. I'm gonna get a rug. Perfect. I think I'm pretty much happy with this build. Okay. Should I add food? Okay, let me put food in this drawer. Turkey. Oh, I can just put the turkey in the oven. Okay. Okay, that's there. I can have some bread. So many loaves of bread. This one right here will be soup. Will be for bread. Cause like, you know, everybody needs bread. You can't live without bread. Here at the top will be that. Here this. And what is that, honey? I don't know. And this. Oh yeah, that's pretty much everything for there. And that's not everything for there. And I'm just gonna get a pot, this pot, and this pot, and I'm gonna get some plates. I think that the plates should sit at the top one. Yeah, let me just rearrange everything. Right now, I think that I have too much bread. Let me just have now I need more bread because I put a lot of. Okay, I just need 3 loaves of bread. That's enough. And I have too much noodles. I have too much spices. So I'm just gonna pick the whole spaghetti thing. 2, 3, 2 away. Okay, I think that's beautiful, I guess. Okay. Now I have space for all the plates. All the plates and cups. Oh, this is such a big tower. Okay. What else? I need some cups. Hey, where's the cup? Okay, these are cups. Cup. And I need something to put all the utensils, all the spoons and stuff. Okay. Why can't I grab it? With that. That. And that's pretty much all. And now I need to fill up this fridge. So the meat, all these ones will stay here. Yeah. And some Coke. I think that the fridge is filled up. And I'm gonna go to the grocery shop and get more of this. Let's test this if it actually works. Oh, it works. Okay, if this hole is a little empty. Okay, I'm just gonna add posters to this wall. Just stuff and random stuff. Toka Boka has so much stuff. In my next video, I'm gonna be Toka Boka, but nice. But I have to do the outdoor. I don't know what I'm actually gonna do out here, but let's do anything. Wait, I need this one. Just gonna do an outdoor chill out area. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Just bean bags and those and there, and just gonna put these just in this and that. This is just an outdoor. Wow. This, yeah, and that's big. Okay, that's all. But guys, anyways, thank you so much. This is the house. This is it. This is it, guys. I'm just gonna do a little tour. First off, this outdoor area, kids' room, living room and kitchen, and bed and bathroom and parents' bedroom. I'm gonna say that I'm pretty much happy with this. In my next video, I'm gonna be creating the characters. But anyway, everybody, thank you guys for watching my video. And I hope you like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications if you wanna see more of content of Miga World and Toka Boka. And maybe I might even do Roblox. But anyways, bye guys.